It's not on.
One night there was Spooky Monster. He was big and he was scary. He's got all the kids to eat.
Oh no, to eat. And then what happened?
Then kids won, then the monster got them and eat them.
Did he get you?
I was not in the story.
Who's in the story?
No one is.
But who's the kids?
The kids is my friends at school.
Oh no, who are you going to play with at school now?
The monster.
But he's going to eat you.
He's my best friend.
Thought Cole was your best friend.
And he said, boo, and the friends said, ah!
Who did?
His friends.
Oh, your friends.
And said, ah, because the ghost.
Where were you when the monster got your friends?
I was at home.
Why were you at home?
I was this way.
Huh?
Doggy.
You were what?
At home with my doggy.
With your doggy?
Yeah.
We don't have a dog.
But I was just busy on the...
Is that the end of the story?
No. One night, kids won, and the monster eat them, and the kids they're alive. Mama.
The end.
No, it's not. Yeah. The monster broke the whole city. Then the city broke the whole world, even our base. Then we broke our body. Then whole town broke. Then the end of the story.